Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change your paper trading account balance in TradingView. So first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then simply log in into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView subscription, now is the time for you to do it because currently in the Black Friday sale, you are going to get the subscriptions at up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 3 days left, so if you are interested, make sure you check out the link in the description. Now once you are here on this page, simply use the search icon here on the top. Now over here you just have to launch the chart of any of the currencies or indices or forex pairs in front of you. Now once the chart is opened just like so, you just have to click on the option of trading panel here in the bottom left, then click on the option of paper trading. Now click on the option of connect, and as you can see we have connected our paper trading with TradingView. Now currently in my account I have around 10,000 USD, but in order to change it, simply click on the option of this gear icon. You will see this type of account setting option here. Now click on the option of reset account, and here you can make changes into your account balance. Here you can also change the currency. By default USD will be selected, but you can also convert it to USDT, let's say. Then you can change the leverage for stocks, futures, forex, cryptos and others. After that, simply click on the option of reset, and there you go, you have successfully changed your paper trading account balance in TradingView. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel as well for more TradingView tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.